proudly brought to you by Hovertech. Hovertech, just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing a second method to write IMEI onto a Spreadtrum device using MiracleBox. Okay, so I'm going to launch MiracleBox tool. On the MiracleBox interface, I'll press Ctrl M to enable IMEI. Click on SPD tab. Click the right IMEI button. Select your chipset from this drop-down box. Tick your chipset type. Change baud rate. This is depending if you get an error on MiracleBox. Write out the IMEI, the original IMEI of the device. Now we'll change the pinouts. P2 will be USB D negative. P3 will be USB D positive. P4 will be GND. Then we'll click apply. Now I'll click the start button and connect the phone without pressing any buttons. So once it's done, you will get the message IMEI completed. Now we can now power on the phone to check if the IMEI has been properly written. We can confirm that it is correct.